Hi everyone, this is my week 4 update. So for this update, I'll be going over the test functions that I created for multiple stages of my end-to-end pipeline. The first function that I created was a function that connects to the database and makes sure that the get database function actually works and is establishing a proper connection to the MongoDB database. That's very important so that my application can access relevant chunks within the MongoDB database for the RAG component of the model. Number two, I also created a function to test whether the embed underscore message function is properly working. That function is primarily used in order to generate those gist embeddings, which is very important for the RAG piece of the pipeline. And number three, I also created a test function to make sure that when using the Mistral llama file, the actual output is being generated. The generate text with Mistral is the actual function that's used in order to collect all that relevant contextual information via the database, but also generate a proper output using the llama file. So I wanted to make sure that I created a test function that can see if that entire process is running smoothly. So this third test function kind of takes into account the full picture of both steps 1 and 2, but I still wanted to create test functions for the first two sections to make sure those unique pieces are also working within the entire pipeline. So here I wanted to go over some of the models that I wanted to compare with and some of the pros and cons. So Mistral 7B Instruct is very good because it's small, efficient, and it does very well for Q&A tasks because of the instruction fine tuning. It's maybe a little bit less accurate compared to the Llama 3 Instruct with 70 billion parameters because it has much fewer parameters with 7.24 billion, which may be a drawback in terms of accuracy. The Lava 1.5 is very cool because it has multimodal applications, which can allow for both images and text. But in my particular use case, I didn't think that was very necessary because I'm only using text. It also has fewer parameters than Mistral 7B Instruct with 6.74 billion parameters, which could lead to poor performance. Llama 3 Instruct with 70 billion parameters is probably the best in terms of accuracy because of the high parameter count. But like I mentioned, it's much bigger and bulkier, so that can lead to a higher computation time, more computationally expensive. And for my application, which is supposed to be more portable, I think that it makes more sense to use the Mistral 7B Instruct. Thank you.